Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss extra questions of chapter 3 pair of linear equations. So the first question is, for what value of k does 2x plus 3y equals 7, k minus 1x plus k plus 2x equals 3k have infinite number of solutions? For the given pair of equations, a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 7, A2 is k minus 1, B2 is k plus 2 and C2 is minus 3k. For infinite number of solutions, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So we will place the values of these variables, and after solving first two ratios, we will get k as 7. So the equation will have infinite number of solutions for k equal 7. Second question, a father age is 3 times the sum of age of his 2 children. After 5 years, his age will be 2 times the sum of their ages. Find the present age of father. So let present age of father be x and sum of age of his 2 children be y years. According to question, x is equal to 3y. X minus 3y is equal to 0. This is our first equation. After 5 years, father's age would be x plus 5 years and the sum of age of his children would be y plus 5, that is y plus 10 years. Now x plus 5 is equal to 2 times y plus 10 and the equation would be x minus 2y equal 15. This is our second equation. Subtract first equation from second, we will get y as 15. Substituting value of y, we will get x as 45. So present age of father is 45 years. Next question. In a competitive exam, 1 mark is awarded for each correct answer, while half mark is deducted from each wrong answer. Jayanti answered 120 questions and got 90 marks. How many questions did she answer correctly? So let number of correctly answered questions be x and number of wrongly answered questions be y. Total number of questions is 120. So x plus y equal 120 is our first equation. Then 1x minus half y is equal to 90. 2x minus y equal 180 is our second equation. We will add both the equations and we will get x as 100 and y as 20. So number of correctly answered questions is 100. Next question, places A and B are 80 km apart from each other. On a highway, a car starts from A and another starts from B at the same time. If they move in same direction, they meet in 8 hours. And if they move towards each other, they meet in 1 hour 20 minutes. Find the speed of car. Let x km per hour and y km per hour be the speed of both cars respectively. Let P be the point where they meet. So in first case, when they are moving in same direction, distance traveled by first car starting from A would be AP, which is distance is speed into time. So we will get 8x kilometer, and distance traveled by second car is 8y kilometer. We know the difference between both places 80. So AP minus BP is AB. X minus y is equal to 10. This is our first equation. In second case, they are traveling in opposite direction, means towards each other. So the distance traveled by car from which is starting from A is 4 upon 3 x kilometer, and distance traveled by car starting from B is 4y by 3 kilometer. Here 4 by 3 is obtained by converting the time from 1 hour 20 minutes to hours, which is 4 upon 3 hours. So we know the total distance between the places 80. So AP plus BP is AB, which is 80, and we will add these to get x plus y equals 60. This is our second equation. After subtracting second from first, we will get y as 25 and x as 35. The speed of car is 35 km per hour and the second car would be 25 km per hour. Next question. Find relation between P and Q if x equal 3 and y equal 1 is solution of pair of linear equations x minus 4y plus p equals 0 and 2x plus y minus q minus 2 is equal to 0. If x is 3 and y is 1, we will put these values in the given equation and we will get value of p as 1. And in the second equation, we will get q as 5. So the relation between p and q can be 5p minus q equals 0. Next question. For what values of a and b will the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions? The equations are x plus 2y equal 1, a minus bx plus a plus by equal a plus b minus 2. For infinitely many solutions, the relation is a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 equals c1 upon c2. So according to question, a1 is equal to 1, b1 is 2, c1 is minus 1, a2 is a minus b, b2 is a plus b and c2 is minus a plus b minus 2. We will substitute these values in the given relation and after solving we will get, first we will solve first two ratios and we will get a equal 3b, which is our first equation. Then we will solve second and third ratio and we will get a plus b equal 4, which is our second equation. Put a equal 3b from equation 1 in equation number 2 and we will get b equal 1 and a equal 3. Next question. A motorboat covered a distance of 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream in 6 hours. In the same time, it covered a distance of 12 km upstream and 36 km downstream. Find the speed of boat in still water and that of stream. Upstream, when we say the boat go upstream, this means it is going against the flow of water. So the speed would be less. And when it is going downstream, this means it is going towards the flow of water, with the flow of water. So it will get a boost in speed and the speed would be more. So let us assume speed of boat in still water. When there is no effect of the current, then the speed is x km per hour and the speed of current of water is y km per hour. So when the boat is going downstream, the speed would be x plus y km per hour. And when it is going upstream, the speed would be x minus y km per hour. According to question, 24 upon x plus y plus 16 upon x minus y is 6 and 36 upon x plus y plus 12 upon x minus y is equal to 6. These both are the equations. Here we are taking the relation that time is equal to distance upon speed. So for the first equation, 24 is the distance and x plus y is the speed and 16 is the distance, then x minus y is the speed. So like this you can frame the equation. Now we will substitute 1 upon x plus y as u and 1 upon x minus y as v and we will get the equation as 24u plus 16v equals 6, or you can say 12u plus 8v equal 3. This is our third equation. And 36u plus 12v equals 6 or 6u plus 2v equal 1 is the fourth equation. We will multiply fourth equation by 4 and subtract it from the third equation. And by doing this, we will get u equal 1 upon 12. And we will get v as 1 upon 4. Now we will substitute the value of u and v as we assumed 1 upon x plus y equal 1 upon 12 and 1 upon x minus y equal 1 upon 4. So x plus y is equal to 12. This is our fifth equation and x minus y equal 4 is our sixth equation. We will simply add these both equations and we will get value of x and y as 8 and 4. So speed of boat in still water would be 8 km per hour and the speed of stream would be 4 km per hour. So here we are done with extra questions of this chapter. If you have any other question as your doubt, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned.